Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. I am making gluten-free biscuits and I am using the Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 bacon flour. We will need 2.5 cups of this. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It is completely free. And hit the bell so you can get your notifications. I want to add some salt to that. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk this together. Make sure that it's well combined. And to that, I'm going to add my butter. And here it's a half of a cup of butter. Okay, just add your butter in there, and once you've done that, now you have to do the dirty work. Okay, make sure your hands are clean, get in there with your hands, and then just make sure you combine the butter and the flour. Everything is well combined. I'm gonna do this and then I'll be right back. You're gonna go in there like that. Okay my healthy people, so once you got your butter, make sure that your butter is really cold. So as you may see, everything is well combined. It should look sandy like this, and I just got in there with my hands and did everything. Now you want to add your buttermilk. Now, because this is a vegan recipe, also if you feel that you need to add more butter, go ahead and do so. Right now I have 1 cup of buttermilk, and this is vegan buttermilk. How I make my buttermilk is I have 1 cup of milk, and I use almond milk, and I also use apple cider vinegar. Okay, so apple cider vinegar, and it gives you a nice buttermilk flavor. Look, it looks just like buttermilk. Look at that. Okay, so let's just add a little bit at a time. All right, buttermilk, you may not have to use the entire thing. Okay, so just add a little bit at a time. Get in there a tip more, and I didn't use all the milk. As you may see, I have a little bit left. I have about 1/4 of the milk left, so be very cautious when you are adding the milk. But I usually do a cup because sometimes you never know. So this is what it looks like. Make sure your oven is being preheated at 450 degrees. And I have my cast iron skillet. Everyone should have one of these. You're gonna get your cookie scooper, right? Medium size, and you will take it and you will scoop it like this. Just make sure that it's even, right? And then just gonna do that. And you want to do that to all of them, all the way around. It will give you some perfect size biscuits. You can use an extra large scooper and scoop these out, but this is the scooper that I have. Okay my healthy people, so I scooped out my biscuits. This is what they look like. We're putting this in the oven, 450 preheated. Okay, so we'll be back, gluten-free and vegan. Okay my healthy people, so here we have our gluten-free vegan biscuits, and I have some melted butter. I am just going to coat the melted butter over these. They look absolutely delicious, and I bet they taste so good. Alright, so these are our delicious gluten-free vegan biscuits. Okay, if you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Alright, I'll see you guys next time in another video, and stay with me. Stay healthy.